Hi, hello guys. It feels like an absolute age since I talked to you last, and that is very sad. Today it is Saturday, and per the kind of schedule I have going, there was supposed to be a vlog up today, but this week has just been all over the place and really weird in the sense that I haven't really done anything and I haven't really done schoolwork, but I don't really know what I've been doing instead. I think I've just been in bed watching Castle, so there's no vlog for, you know, this past week, but I thought I would vlog today because I have to do some things. Today I am meeting my friend Hege and we are going for coffee and picking up our tickets for the fireworks tonight, because today it is the 5th of November, and remember the 5th of November, it is Bonfire night. I always forget about Bonfire night since I'm not actually British. It's not something I've grown up with, and then it sneaks up on me and I'm like, this is a thing. That's exciting. So me and my flatmates and Hege and a couple of other people are going to the local bonfire thing today, which is going to be very exciting. And then tomorrow I am studying literally all day. I don't know if this will be a 1-day vlog or a 2-day vlog or what is going on, but it's a vlog. Now it is 20 to 10. I have to leave at 10:30 to go meet Hege. I'm just gonna have a banana for breakfast, I think, maybe 2. Now I just need to figure out what to wear because I'm currently in like not really pajamas but like comfy clothes, and then we will be going soon enough. So yeah, that's gonna be my day and I hope you stay tuned for following me around. So I'm ready to go now, so we are just gonna hit the town and have coffee. I'm very excited about Costa Christmas month. As you might have seen, we ended up not going to Costa because there were so many people. So we went to Starbucks as we usually do, and now I am back home. I've just been tidying a little bit and now I'm going to hoover my room and then hoover the hallway. It is now 4 and we are leaving at I think 5:15. So I'm gonna hoover and then I'm gonna have a bite to eat, and then I'm probably just gonna have some pizza when I get home after the bonfire. Also, I got these like fleece leggings things from Primark and I've never been so happy with a purchase like ever because they are the most comfortable thing in the entire world. So yeah, I'm gonna get to hoovering, then probably have something to eat and then we'll be going.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Again, it is the morning after the night before and I am a bit deaded. We didn't even get in that late, but it was a long and exhausting event. It was so cold. It was lovely though. The fireworks were really, really nice, and the bonfire was really nice as well. But yeah, today I have a lot of schoolwork to be doing, so I'm currently going to get my makeup done and get dressed, and then I'm heading straight to the library. I've been up for an hour and a half now, and I've just done a video, filmed and edited in 1.5 hours, which is very impressive, even for me. That'll be up already. I will link it up in the card so you can never remember which side they're on, so they're just going to be up there. It's a video on how I use Toggle and Trello to organise myself for university. I'm sitting in very bright sun, which is why my hair is like white. I'm just gonna get ready to go and then gonna pop to the library. It is now 10 to 11 and I am ready to head off, bringing all my stuff with me for a long time in the library.